everyone. How many combinations of 2-scoop cones of ice cream are there with 10 flavors? And then in flavors. We are given one flavor, there's one kind of 2-scoop flavor. And with 2 flavors, there are 3 possible combinations. This is going to be the hard part a little bit here. And this is an example of triangular numbers. So let's just see what they have. There was a little more information given. So with the 1 scoop, or with the 1 flavor, it's vanilla. So you can basically have 2 scoops of vanilla. And I'm just writing this out to see kind of what we have. Try to find a pattern here. The second flavor is chocolate. So you can still have the 2 vanillas. Or you can have vanilla chocolate. Doesn't matter the order there. Or chocolate chocolate. So this was 1 combination. And this one is 3. Let's add strawberry. So if I add strawberry, then I would still have these 3 choices, but I would add strawberry. So I can have 2 strawberries, a strawberry with the vanilla and the strawberry with the chocolate. This gives me 6 choices. And let's do one more. Let's call it peach, just to have a different letter here. So we still have VV. Let me copy all these down. Here's your strawberry row. And then you would add the peach. So you do the 2 peaches, and then you have the peach strawberry, peach chocolate, peach vanilla. You can put these in different orders. But anyway, we added 4. And that's going to be 10. So this whole thing equals 10. And you can see it kind of looks like a Pascal's triangle. The next one, if we added another flavor, let's say called watermelon, then it's just going to be 10 and you're going to add 5 here. So it's just going to be adding 5. The sequence is like 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, because we're adding 2, then we're adding 3, then we're adding 4, then we're adding 5, then we're going to add 6, and you can keep going up until you get to the 10 flavors. That's the hard way. So we want to find the nth formula first. Usually we call this A sub 1. This one is A sub 2, A sub 3. Now with triangular numbers, they usually refer to it as T sub 1, or triangle 2, or triangle 3, triangle 4, like that. All right, and this is a little easier to look at than all those letters we were looking at. Now, let's try to find our formula and the 10 flavors. So basically, our formula, this is, let me write this out. The formula for triangular numbers is, since we're choosing 2, is T sub n equals C n plus 1, comma 2. Choose 2. So basically, if I had 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, and 21, and so forth. All right, let's look at our formula. What we can do is use this formula. This would be T sub 2. I don't like to look at this one too much. T sub 3, T sub 4, T sub 5, T sub 6. So let's go ahead and look at this one, because it's easier to see the bigger numbers. So my index number is 6. So that's what I'm going to put here. This would be 6 plus 1 is 7. Choose 2. That's going to equal, with our formula, that's going to be 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 5 factorial. Now I'm going to spread this out. This is going to be 6 times 5 times 6 times 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial. 2 factorial is just 2. So that cancels out. So what this would equal is 42 divided by 2 which gives us 21. Let's look at this one. This one would be C, and our index number is 5. So you add 1 to that. That would be 6. Choose 2. So that's going to be 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 4 factorial. These two always have to add up to this number. That's just going to give you 6 times 5 divided by 2. For this one is just going to be without the formula. This is just going to be add 1. Let's go ahead and write that out. This is going to be C, and we have a 4, so it's going to be 5. Choose 2. That's just going to be 5 times 4 divided by 2. So we can see the pattern here. Basically, our pattern is n plus 1 times n divided by 2. So let's look at that. So let's see, I have everything here. All right, so we have some numbers written down there. So we have our a sub n equals, I'm going to put the n first, n times n plus 1 divided by 2. Let's check this one real quick. So this is, if we do a sub 1, a sub 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A sub 7. So this would be equal to 7 times 8 divided by 2, which gives me 56 divided by 2, which equals 28. All right, and that works. So now we need the 10th one. So a sub 10 is going to equal 10 times 11 divided by 2. So basically 2 goes into 10 5 times. You get 55. So that is your 10th. What is it saying? How many there are? There are 55 possible combinations with 10 flavors of ice cream. I'm going to go ahead and write this in. I think probably you don't really want this. But the general explicit formula for triangular numbers is T sub n equals the sum from k equals 1 to n of some k. This is your k. And you're just adding these up, whatever the number is, dot, 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 and you're going to get equals n plus n. And this is going to be n times n plus 1 divided by 2. All right. Let me put the n a little better here. So basically, you're going all the way to n. Basically, what we're doing is adding these index numbers. Whatever they are, you add them up and divide by 2. And that's going to give you your formula for T sub n. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.